Look at this. All that is ice. It's literally raining ice here in Greeley. Look all of that is ice. I knew something was coming since I saw it so far away. But I didn't know it was ice. I thought it was rain.
No, y estos están chiquiticos, para
Look
que
at
sepan.
that.
Mira, aquellos están cagados con los carros fuera todos. Ahora todos se despingan todos.
I heard the ice, so my grandpa had to take a car in before it got broken. They're coming closer outside.
Sí, ahora lo puro
Those
seguro.
cars.
Tu carro no puede pasarlo porque tu carro está en
Look at that. Those cars are not down there. Those cars are gonna be broken by tomorrow. Look at all of this. Look at that. Oh my God.
con la música con truenos. Yo no lo sentí. Julio fue, mamá, está cayendo algo.
Oh my God. Look at all of this. Look at all of this. My grandpa had to take the car in that was outside the garage before it got broken by all this hail. Oh my God. This is insanity. Do you hear that? Do you hear how those cars sound? Look at that. Those people also have to take the car in immediately. Too bad they do not have space for all 3, 4, or 5 cars that they have. Those 3 cars are messed up now. Oh my God. You have to hurry. You literally have to hurry to take the car. Oh my God. And my grandpa couldn't find the car keys.
No vaya. Vamos que no le pasó nada.
Oh my God. Jesus. Look at all this hail. Do you guys see that? Look at that road. Look at that road. All of that is hail. Look at all that. Bro. That's my grandpa. Oh my God. Yeah. The hail is getting bigger. Bro, what's gonna happen? Bro, look at that. The cars are already beeping. Look at that car. Look at that. Leaves from the trees are falling. Look at that car. It was speaking. They have to close the garage. Oh my God. Sweet baby Jesus. Look at all that. Exactamente a las 10. Mamá, son exactamente a las 10. Like, look at all this. Oh, that is cool. Look. So, when I was coming home from swimming lessons to film a video, I couldn't find anything to film. But I did see a storm coming, and I really thought it was rain, not hail. Look at all that ice. Oh my God, look at that.
Eso lo que te hace, te pone como la mayoría de los pueblos dominicanos tienen.
Oh, Jesus.
Como cuando uno estos no le pone seguro caro.
Ah, Jesus
Tiene un seguro de $40.
Look at all that. It's literally raining hail. Instead of rain, it's like falling as fast and as much as rain. But instead of rain, it's hail. All of that is hail. Look. The people over, look at that. Look at that dude.
Pero va a llevarte ahí, a lo mejor le dijeron que unas cuadras aquí no está. Eso que le den a ver, dice,
Look at that dude. That guy has to move his car because of the hail. That guy is smart. He's gonna put that thing under the tree. Oh my god. Honestly, I wouldn't have thought of that. That guy's very, very smart.
Niña, yo estaba ahí, yo dije, pero eso qué cosa es, eso no puede ser lluvia. Eso no puede ser lluvia. Yo no se jodió. Yo dije, se jodió la máquina esa de fregar.
This is so much hail.
Dios mío. Está viendo ya los cielos.
Yo decía que esta música que puse
Ah, está
hoy,
bien, está bien.
que hasta lluvia siento y todo por todos
Está
lados.
bien. Está bien. Porque no está cayendo esa perra agua para caer granizo.
Pero es que a veces no
In the
llueve,
morning,
cae
I'm gonna
granizo.
give you
No
guys
tiene que llover para caer
the
granizo.
aftermath of this.
Ahora porque está
By the way,
combinado con
make
lluvia,
sure to
pero
subscribe
muchas
and like the
veces-
video if you enjoyed me running.